Let's master how, the art of adjective and adverb inquiries. Hello, English learners. Today we're diving deep into the world of English conversation, focusing on a specific structure that will take your speaking skills to the next level. This is all about using how in conjunction with adjectives or adverbs and a verb. This video will guide you to master the how plus adjective, adverb plus verb, question structure. So, are you ready? Let's get started. To start off, let's break down the how plus adjective, adverb plus verb structure. It begins with the word how, followed by an adjective or an adverb, and ends with a verb. This is a common way to form questions in English, particularly when you want to ask about the quality, quantity, or manner of something. Here are a few examples. How fast can you run? How well do you understand English? How quickly does he eat? In each of these examples, how is followed by an adverb, fast, well, quickly, and then a verb, can run, do understand, does eat. Now that we know the basic structure, let's see it in action. The how plus adjective, adverb plus verb structure is very flexible. It can be used in a variety of contexts, such as to ask about someone's abilities, inquire about conditions, or check on the progress of tasks. For instance, if you want to ask about someone's skill in a certain area, you might say, how well do you play the piano? Or if you're curious about the conditions or quality of something, you could ask, how cold is the water? And if you want to inquire about the speed or progress of a task, you might ask, how quickly can you finish this report? Now it's time to practice what you've learned. We've discussed the structure and given examples of how to use it. Let's see if you can form your own sentences using this structure. Try to come up with a question that asks about someone's proficiency in a language, the taste of a food, the speed at which a task can be completed. Remember, use the structure how plus adjective, adverb plus verb. Practice speaking these sentences out loud. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will become. That's all for today's lesson. You're now well equipped to use the how plus adjective, adverb plus verb question structure in your conversations. We hope this lesson has been informative and enjoyable. Remember, the key to mastery is practice. Don't hesitate to rewatch this video and practice the exercises until you feel confident. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning, and remember, every question you ask is a step closer to fluency.